Hi there everybody, it's Halsey from slimandstylish.com and I'm a UK Stampin' Up independent demonstrator. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm using the Good Morning Magnolia stamp set. This was from the annual catalogue last year and it is carried over into this annual catalogue, which is lovely. I'm going to be using this bud stamp here and the hello to create this multicoloured rainbow sort of bud card. I quite like it. I think it stands out really nice. I wasn't too sure on it when it was sort of right in my face, but I popped it on the shelf after I made it and my eyes kept going to it, so I do quite like it. Let me show you how to put it together. You're going to need a scrap piece of Whisper White, okay, and your bud stamp, and you want to stamp this 6 times with the Memento ink. And you want to leave just enough space around them all so that you can fussy cut them all out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I don't know why I told you want to stamp 6. You only want to stamp 5, so we have got one to mess up on. How I counted all of those and came up with 6, I have no idea. So I've got my Stampin' Blends. They're all here. Let me tell you which colours you want to be using. So for the top one, that's Rocio Rose. For the yellow one, it is So Saffron. You want the light and dark for each one. For the next one, it is Soft Seafoam, followed by Seaside Spray, followed by Purple Posy, and for the bottom, you want Shaded Spruce. So I'm going to just move that along and pop my little rainbow of colours onto my desk and get going. So what you want to do is you want to colour like that with a bullet tip. This is using the dark pen. Okay. Go over it again to get it really dark. Okay, and then you want to go over it but just expand a slight bit. Okay, then you want the light one. Go over the whole of the bud with the light. As you can see, there's quite a difference in colour, so you then want to go from the dark into the light with a light pen. You don't want to go all the way over, just part of the way. So it looks like that. That's the Rocio Rose done. With the Shaded Spruce, on the leaves there are little markings, so if you use the dark, like that, and then over the top of that with the light, pretty much like you did with the flower. It doesn't matter too much on this if you go out the lines, because you're going to be cutting it out. And when we cut it out on this one, I know normally I like to leave a little bit of a gap, but actually on this one we're cutting it out so close. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is the exact same thing with all of the buds, and then I'm going to fussy cut them all out. Save you sitting here watching me do all of that and fussy cut it out, I'm actually going to pop it onto a bit of a speed, pop a bit of music on, and once they're all coloured and all cut, I will come back in and talk you through the rest of the card. Okay. Huge mess on that side of the desk with all the little bits and pieces. You want a piece of card backing. This one's 9.5 centimetres by 13.85 centimetres, and I'm going to stamp my hello on it before I do anything else. I know that I want that in the right hand side corner, and I'm going to stamp it in with Memento ink. I'm just going to pop that in. I love the font on this stamp set. It is gorgeous. I mean, the thanks, look at the T12, love it. So for this one, you want to roughly position where you want all your flowers to fall in rainbow colour. I'm trying to put the purple at the top and try and get them so they go from corner to the top, but also that they're not all perfect in the same shape. Okay, some dimensionals would help, and I know I have some because I put a brand new pack on the side. There we go. So have a look, because if you're going to be overlapping these, you don't want them to overlap or underlap where there is a dimensional. So I can see that I'm okay for one there. Okay. So starting off with the red one, I'm going to pop this so it's just over, and then you can see what I did. I actually cut it off so it's that flush. So saffron. Feel free to twist all the bottoms in with each other so that they all link like that. Seaside foam. Feel like I've gone a little bit closer with this bunching, so I'm just going to try and buy myself some space with my seaside spray. There we go, that gets me a bit nearer down the bottom again. Best laid plans and all. And then Purple Posy. Okay, I've got some, what have I got? Shaded Spruce, which is the colour that I've done the leaves. So I've got that already in my cardstock. This is 10 centimetres by 14.25 centimetres. So it's just half a centimetre wider. So it gives me that sort of frame around the edge of the card, like that. And then I've got my card base. So this is a piece of thick Whisper White cardstock cut in half, and I've scored it in half. So I'm just going to burnish that. Pop this on. And there's my card. What do you think? Like I said, when I first saw it like here, I thought, I'm not sure it works. But I put it far away, and hopefully the video is far enough away for you. And I absolutely fell in love with it. I thought it really just grabbed my eyes. So it's using the Good Morning Magnolia stamp set. It's a 2-part stamp set, so you buy it and you pay for it, and you get 2 come through because there's so many stamps in there and the sizes. They're available from my website, slimandstylish.com. Go up to the header, click on buy, and it will take you to my store where you can search for Good Morning Magnolia and add it to your basket. You can also add any of the colours in. So these are Stampin' blends, and you buy the dark and the light together as a pack. So it was Shaded Spruce, Purple Posy, Seaside Spray, Soft Sea Foam, So Saffron, and Rocio Rose. And you can get those from my store as well. Anything I've used is available to add into your basket. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you like the project. Please subscribe if you do, and hopefully we'll see you again soon. Thanks everybody. Bye.